Hello friends, how you guys doing? Welcome to our channel once again. All right, so in this video guys, I'm going to show you why you need to pay very good attention on this double rejection on the 50 EMA. The price has actually been rejected 2 times while trying to break this 50 EMA guys on Ethereum chart. If you've not subscribed to the channel, you can subscribe and pay very good attention. Now, I remember what we've been telling you guys all this while, that we're expecting Ethereum to make this move in relation to this, to complete this. But now you can see there is a new update, all right, based on this rejection that is taking place. There's a new update that you need to be aware of. All right, so now before I tell you what you should be focusing on now, let's just take a look at what Ethereum has been doing all this while. You can see, the simplicity of the market shows that, anytime that there is a strong trend, the market always rallied above the 50 EMA. You can see ever since here, the market has been going above all this way. It has been going bouncing off the 50 EMA. So when this one was broken, it retested it, it bounces off. This is second retesting, okay, and it's actually bouncing up. So what are we driving from here? This is on a daily chart, guys. Okay, so what we can drive from here now is this. Now when you take a look on the structural pattern, okay, now you can see that clearly that we've seen 1, 2, 3, okay. So this one can also be equated to this, making this a complex move, guys. So because of this rejection, there might be another drop here. All right, so after this drop, then we might see, based on where it stops, probably around 1,386. So there might be another push up, okay, for the next drop then before we go. Okay, so this will take a long while and Ethereum will just be going nowhere. All right, so for people that understand market structure, they will definitely be profitable in this sideways movements. Okay, so but one thing you need to pay very good attention is that this rejection will definitely lead to the next pullback. All right, so and if you want to make money trading this rejection, okay, making money whether the market is going down or going up, then you need to subscribe to this channel, and also you need to sign up on Bybit. Okay, Bybit using our link below, or Binance, because we'll be updating you guys accurately when the setup is fully set. Now if I should dive down to 4 hours, you can see now that the market, this trend has been broken. Okay, this trend has actually been broken. Okay, so what are we expecting here? All right, so I wouldn't want you to jump now because there will be a pullback. Okay, so there's something we're expecting before you can jump into this trade, and this trade is going to be a massive trade, guys. It's going to be profitable. Now take a look on, assuming even if it's from here now, if we measure this, from here down here, that would be up to like 35%, and if you are 10x leverage, that's about 350. So this is something that will make a lot of money for us, that you need to pay very good attention. So I wouldn't want you to miss this. So that's why you need to pay very good attention and subscribe on this channel, because I'll be releasing the video probably before the week runs out. There will be a full setup here, and they will be able to take the trade. So pay very good attention on this. So what we are expecting now and what we want to see is, after this breakout here, which has occurred, then we're expecting a 3-wave move up, then down we go. Okay, so I wouldn't want you to miss this. So because of that, we are seeing this can also be equated to this, because looking at it critically, you can see this is a clear 3-wave structure on this, guys, and everything here looks beautiful. Okay, so because we're expecting this on Ethereum, what do you think that happened to Bitcoin too? All right, so if you permit me to get to Bitcoin now, I will still want to show you that, remember, if you watch our video yesterday, I told you that anything is possible, and because of the way it's going, this is is not complete. Now we can see clearly what the market is doing. So what are we expecting from Bitcoin, guys? We're expecting a pullback like this, and after that Bitcoin is going to drop. All right, it's unfortunate that Bitcoin is going to drop, but it's still healthy because this drop, I don't know how low it could go, but definitely it's going to break this previous low. That's 29,000. It's going to go far below it, and wherever I found its support, that's where you're going to reverse backwards. So now what you need to do on Bitcoin and how you need to trade this move. Remember to sign up on Bybit using the link below, or Binance using the link below, because there is this potential trade setup that is coming on Bitcoin, and there are two. So on 4 hours, we're expecting a full correction here. Okay, this is what we're expecting on 4 hours to correct like this, then before we drop. Okay, but now if you come to 1 hour, okay, so this trade now, this trade can also be taken. All right, this trade can also be taken, and we can only take that comfortably when we come to 15 minutes, guys. So what are we expecting in 15 minutes? Let this trend be broken. Okay, we're expecting this trend to break, so let's watch this market to break this, consolidate, then be able to take this and take it off here. So you want to know the measurements on how long you're going to take this wave. Then you need to measure this. Let's measure this. You measure this wave here. You measure this. Okay, so this is what we're expecting on Bitcoin. It can be like this, guys, but something like this, guys. This is what we're expecting. So expect something like this to play out on Bitcoin. Okay, this one has finished its work. As we go, so expect something like this to play out on Bitcoin, and there we go, guys. Okay, so Bitcoin is going to drop as Ethereum is dropping. All right, so and after this drop, there might be a fast reversal. Okay, so but the drop is going to still massive, and a lot of potential profit to be made on it. So don't miss out on this potential trade, guys, because it's going to make us a lot of money. Right, stay tuned, guys, because I'm going to update you guys on the next pattern as the market completes himself. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video.